show. Puppet shows are normally for kids, but this one was done by high schoolers, so basically I'm just saying to chill out if you hear curse words or anything bad, because we're all a bunch of high schoolers and we're sad. Bye.
Is that me saying that? It sounded like it.
On behalf of the Puppets class, not Brian, he is not affiliated with the beliefs and feelings of the puppet establishment. Thank you very much for being here, and I hope you enjoy, or not, it's cool. I hope you enjoy our puppet show, because we worked hard. Peace out, Girl Scouts. Oh my God! Whoa! Where am I?
Purgatory.
Really?
Hello. Yes, it's I, acclaimed actor, Christopher Walken.
Cool. You want to read my zine?
No.
Please.
No.
Please.
No.
Please.
No.
Please. Please. Please.
What's it about?
Steve Buscemi?
You know, you could read it to him.
What do you mean? I don't know him. What are you talking about? How can I read it to him? Wait.
I'm
You have a
here
way?
to judge you.
To judge me? Only God can judge me!
Go to heaven. That was a child.
Where the fuck am I?
Limbo.
Why?
Because you're dead.
Are you Christopher Walken?
Yes.
No.
I'm
terrible.
Christopher Walken.
No.
And you're dead.
Why?
Because you died.
So what am I doing here? What are you gonna do?
Judge you.
No.
Yes.
No, your movies are terrible. You can't judge me.
I don't.
No, they're really.
You're
The
bigger
only
than I
thing
am,
that
and
should
I'm
be
afraid you're
judged
gonna
is
hit
your
me.
acting.
You're bigger than I am.
No.
I'm afraid you're gonna
No! Fine!
Hello.
¿Cómo estás? ¿Quién eres tú? ¿Quién eres tú? ¿Quién eres tú?
I'm recording that.
¡Quiero comida! ¡Tengo hambre! ¡Tengo hambre! ¿Qué? ¿Qué? ¡Quitémoslo aquí! ¿Quién sos tú?
All right. So, this isn't so bad.
What is going on? You know, 1 second you're skateboarding at the Vatican. Next
Why
second,
would you do that? Why would you do that?
they have the best stairs, you know? No one told me the Pope was going to hit me with the staff. No one told me I was going to die.
Okay. All right.
Where am
What's,
I?
Ricky? That's
Ricky? No, it's Rocky. You can see it on the shirt. It's Rocky.
Right. Ricky.
What am I doing here exactly?
You were smited, smote.
Yes, by the Pope.
I'm
Smoked by the
Christopher
Pope.
Walken. I'm here to judge you.
Okay, so what now?
You're to hell.
Why? Wait, why? Hey.
I changed my mind. All these children are terrible. Who are you?
Alexandra.
You seem all right. You wanna? Do you have a preference? You wanna go? I think you can go to heaven.
I mean, should I really?
You don't need to be so indecisive. You can just go.
But I'm not fit for heaven. I'm terrible.
signed up for this job. Acclaimed actor Christopher Walken. Who are you?
I'm Emily.
Yes.
Oh. Where am I?
You're dead.
Okay, does this mean I can miss exams?
Yeah.
Great.
That shouldn't be your biggest concern.
It is. It is.
Oh, okay. All right.
Why are you so wrinkly?
I'll have you know, I'm an acclaimed actor. Christopher Walken. I've won awards. I've won awards.
Awards. Where am I going?
Multiple awards. You can go to.
That's great. Thank you.
Why are all these terrible children dying? It can't get much worse. It can't get much worse.
What? Did you just call me?
A gremlin.
You want to fight?
I don't have any arms.
No one being a gremlin gets away with it.
I thought it was an honest mistake.
I'll forgive you.
So, judgment. Actually, you're pretty terrible. I think you would fit in. All these terrible children doing terrible children things. Could it get any worse? Hello. Hello. You have my voice. I'm acclaimed actor Christopher Walken. I'm not related to you. You can't just steal my voice. Not now. What You're dead. What's that behind you? I smell sin. Nothing. So I should go to heaven. Yeah. Well, I don't see any reason why. What is that? Nothing. No. Please, I need to. This is too much for me. Acclaimed actor Christopher Walken. I can't. What's your zine say? Is that Steve Buscemi?
Yes.
He's so gross.
Rude! That is rude!
He's just too old for you, okay?
We are in heaven. There are no laws in heaven.
I'm sure there's plenty of laws in heaven. Have you read the Bible?
True.
There's a lot of laws here. I'm positive that you can't date Steve Buscemi in heaven.
I'm a positive that I can.
His eyes are weird. He's weird. He's ugly.
They're just slightly more pink than other people.
See, no. The problem, he needs to fix it.
Fight me!
He's like, Elijah, he's like a furry, but with more skin.
That is such slander! Slander to our good
It's
name!
the truth.
I, Elijah Buscemi, am so...
Your name is Buscemi.
Fight me! Read my scene.
I love Steve Buscemi. He has beautiful eyes to see me. He is a beautiful man. I do not understand why you slander our good name.
Yes!
Fuck you. Fight me. He's gross.
No, he's not!
It's a terrible poem.
No! My poetry comes from my heart! If only he was here, you would
No,
see.
no.
You would see how beautiful he is!
Not to worry, my child.
No!
Because I, Steve Buscemi, I hear you slandering my name. You're gross. No, I want to go to hell. I belong here, not in heaven. There's no cussing in heaven. Duh, I'm Luz.
No, you don't get to be here.
Nope. Nope.
How?
Nope.
Why would you hit God?
Accurate.
You're sitting
Nope,
here.
nope,
No.
nope.
You know what? Get in there. Get down. Sick of all these kids. What is this, red beast? Rude. Emily, as I'm sure you know, there is a height limit in heaven.
What do you mean?
You must be only 6 feet tall. 6 feet, you say? I am indeed 6 feet. I know for a fact that you are 6'1". No, you must go. No, accept your fate.
No, listen to me. I was too tall to pet a dog. Now I'm too tall to pet a dog.
Help for you.
No.
Current vice president.
Where is the beautiful bird song?
Is that Joe Biden? Can I touch you?
No.
I want to touch you.
Wait. If hell is supposed to be led by a white politician, why Joe Biden? Why not like Dick Cheney or like Andrew Jackson? Real asshole. What is going on?
It is
Hot.
so
Hot down here! Ah!
my ice cream is
Sweaty and moist!
Where's Steve? Why is it so sunny? I'm getting a hellish sunburn. There's no American Eagle.
Can it get worse?
yes.
No!
Well, I mean, for me, my ice cream is melting, so it can't. But for you, yes, definitely.
How?
We've changed the syllabus. Instead of only half a year, it is eternity.
Well,
all of the puppet shows from here on out were constructed by our tortured souls in hell. I hope you enjoyed them. I hope you enjoy them a lot.